Hi, I'm Marta McCall. Welcome to my channel. This is a surprising dupe of Anthropologie candles using mostly Dollar Tree supplies. They're a collection of romantic wildflowers carefully decoupaged to glass lids. The rims are painted gold with one of my favorite super secret gold paints. Use one dramatic flower or a collection. You get to express what you like and what goes best in your home. You can absolutely use real pressed flowers if you have them, but I don't right now, not until I start collecting them this spring and summer. We'll also use the extra print bits to decoupage glass drops, use them to scatter on tabletops, or add a magnet to them for the fridge. Let me thank all my wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to this channel and you like what you see here, and I hope you do, I'd be so grateful if you like, tell your friends, share, and subscribe. And do ring the bell so you can be notified when the next video is out. Okay, let's go. You'll need a locking jar like this from Dollar Tree. We'll be using the lid only. There are 3 bases that fit this top, so you can choose between the large, fat, round one, the bourbon glass, or this curvy candle holder. They all work. I've used Elmer's to glue everything, but Mod Podge will work too. This is my secret to getting a professional-looking gold paint on glass. It's Brush and Leaf by American Art Clay Company. You can get it from them and numerous other places as well. It's oil-based, so you'll need turpentine to clean your brush. Use a small, flat paintbrush. It'll help you get a straight line. As you can see, mine's very well loved. You'll seal your project with a flat or matte clear acrylic spray. To make the sweet pebbles, pick up these glass drops at Dollar Tree. First, you'll need to remove the top from the locking jar like this. It's pretty straightforward, but it's easier to show you than tell you. Remember, we did this in my last video on Apothecary jars. Next, slowly and carefully paint the edge of the jar lid. There's a distinctive edge right here. While that's drying, and you might need 2 coats, search online for wildflowers close up. Add the color you want to, and print them out. Carefully cut out your flowers and dry fit them to the lid. The more detail you add to your cutting, the better they'll look. Paint a thin coat of Elmer's all over the back. And now this is the important part. You must get the placement on the lid right the first time. If there is glue around your flower print on the lid, you won't be able to clean it up because any drop of water will ruin the print. So place your print carefully and don't move it. Once your wildflower print has dried and the second coat of gold has dried, seal it all with a couple of thin coats of spray-on matte sealer. Place a candle in the base you decided on, and there you go. It's super cute. You might have extra prints, so making adorable glass pebbles is a nice way to use them up. Simply trace around the perimeter of the pebble, cut it out, coat the back of the pebble with a thin coat of Elmer's, and then place it over the cutout print. Once it's dried, trim the edges if they need it, and that's it. I think these projects are pretty and romantic. I hope you do too. If you'd like to see some more of my videos, here are a couple. Thanks for watching. I'll see you real soon.